We all cook on the stove, but not everyone has the time to wash the stove grates immediately after cooking. The stove grate quickly becomes coated with grease, especially if you cook frequently, and a regular sponge isn't always enough. And of course, no one wants to spend hours cleaning it. Hello everyone, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video, I will show you an easy way to clean your gas stove grate. If you don't make it a habit to wipe the grate regularly, over time a layer of grease and burnt-on food residue will accumulate on the metal. This deposit is very difficult to remove using just a sponge and cleaning paste. You will have to invest time and effort. That's why I want to use this dirty grate to show you how you can clean it to a perfect condition with minimal effort on your part. Take a deep saucepan and fill it with hot water. Ideally, this saucepan should fit a little more than half the grate. Next, place the saucepan on the stove and turn on the gas. We need the water in the saucepan to boil. The method I'll be sharing today is suitable for an enameled grate like this one. It can also be used to clean steel stove grates. Well, you can also clean cast iron grates from grease using this method. The water in the saucepan boiled. Now you need to add baking soda. Baking soda foams when it hits boiling water, so add it little by little. For 1 liter of water, you need to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. The second ingredient we need is dishwashing liquid. I will add 2 tablespoons to 5 liters of water. Now the resulting solution needs to be mixed well. And you can lower the stove grate into it. Boil for 10 minutes. If there was a thick layer of fat on the grate, increase the boiling time. My grate has been boiling for 10 minutes now. Now I'll check. If the fat comes off easily, then it's ready to clean. Another 5 minutes have passed. The fat has already softened. I can start cleaning. Clean the grate immediately while it is still hot. Be extremely careful to avoid burning yourself. If it is too hot, you can hold it with a towel. However, the grate cools down very quickly. Look how soft the grease has become. It comes off in seconds. I use a scraper sponge like this one for cleaning. You can also use the rough side of a regular sponge. It took me 2 minutes. I rinsed the grate under water. And again, I dip it into the solution to clean the second half. I wrap the middle of the grate with napkins. And I will water it with cleaning solution from time to time. Once you have cleaned the grate, don't rush to pour out the solution. If you have dirty plates, cutlery or greasy pots, place them in the solution, boil them, and they will be as good as new. There are other methods you can use to clean your stove grates. Links to all the detailed videos will be in the tips, and I will leave them in the description. with minimal effort on my part and without much expense, the grate is clean again. So if you need to clean grease and carbon deposits from your gas stove grate, use this method. It's affordable and very simple. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in more videos.